Let's play a game. Think of Spain. What are you thinking of? Beaches? Good weather? You're partially right, but there's more than that. Stay with us and you'll discover a new whole Spain, a total of 5 different climates. Are you ready to learn? Let's go! The first climate I'm gonna tell you about is the Oceanic. Can you guess what it is? Right next to the ocean. Water bodies heat up and cool down slower than land. That's why temperatures next to an ocean or a sea are smooth and mild. Temperatures are mild because of the ocean's influence. Summers are at around 20 degrees and winters are at around 12. Precipitations are abundant during the 4 seasons. Galicia, Asturias, Cantabria, País Vasco have this climate. As we've seen, distance from the sea is one factor that affects the climate. Another factor is the altitude or height from the sea level. Did you know Spain's one of the most mountainous countries in Europe? And that takes us to our next climate, mountainous. It takes place in the most elevated zones of the peninsula, as you can see in blue right now. The Pyrenees in north, the Cantabrian Range next to the Cantabric Sea, the Leon Mountains, the Central System, the Iberian System or the Bedic and Subbedic System. In summer, temperatures are cool and fresh at around 15 degrees, and in the winter they are usually below zero. Precipitation is abundant all year through, but in the winter it mainly falls off in the form of snow. Teide, Aneto or Mulasen are some examples. Now let's focus on what I call typical Spanish climate or pure Mediterranean climate. Just go away from what I'm recording, you're so far away. This climate is the envy of the climates. Remember, temperatures are gonna be soft because the sea is next to it. There's very little precipitation, especially in the areas of Murcia and Alicante. And you don't really wanna see the gota fria, which is a lot of heavy rain in very little time. And last but not least on the peninsula, the not so nice, not pure, but continental Mediterranean climate. As you're watching, it's the climate from the inside of the peninsula. This climate is typical from beautiful places like the capital Madrid or where I'm from, Zaragoza. In this climate, temperatures are extreme, okay? Like 45 degrees in summer and below 5 in winter. The best part is that it never snows because precipitations are irregular and scarce and they usually fall in spring and autumn. And now let's gonna focus on the last type of climate we've got in Spain. This is in the Canary Islands. In case you don't know, the Canary Islands are really close to Africa. Much closer to the equator than the rest of the climates from Spain. So all of the beautiful pictures you're seeing right now belong to the subtropical climate. Temperatures are regular and mild all year round, around 20-23 degrees. Since they're next to Africa, there's very little precipitation, especially in the southern islands. I hope you understood the 5 different climates in Spain, and next time you visit us, make sure you know where you're going. You don't want to wear flip-flops in the snow, do you?